Well, I guess the first thing I'm going to have to do is see how this body is going to fit on that chassis. And I've already removed the screws from that body, and to get it to fit on there, to see how everything lines up, I'm going to have to trim out the wheel well areas. Alright, throw all this extra stuff away. Okay, there's the the trimmed out body. It may be possible that I'm going to trim out some more. I know a lot of people trim out this back area on the Creep bodies. I just left mine on there for now because I would rather be able to trim it off later than trim it off and wish I had not done that. So let's see how everything lines up on the body, or on the chassis. And first of all, I can see that the hinge is not lining up with the indentations that JConcepts had put in the body, and this is the alignment of the wheels and the wheel wells. So then I can also see that these pins don't line up with the indentations in the body either. So I'm assuming they didn't mean for the donor vehicle probably to be the deadbolt, which is okay, because it's a hobby and you can make things work in the hobby. That's what it's all about. But it looks pretty good sitting on there. So I went ahead and, out of curiosity, I removed the body from the Chevy C10 truck just to check how the mounts in this one will line up. And I do believe that we have a winner. And even the wheel wells and the wheels and the wheel wells seem to line up really well. I think you could see the back mounts there lining up, and even with the rear pieces, if you don't cut out that rear part, you can bolt those up too. So it looks like that JConcepts had designed this body to work with the mounts for the C10. So of course I'm not going to put it on the C10. I'm going to put it on the deadbolt. So I am going to have to do some hobbying, and we're going to make it work. But I would not have designed it around the C10. I would have designed it around the deadbolt because this is the lesser expensive of the two. And if anybody is going to purchase an SCX24 with the intent of putting the Creep body on it and didn't care about the body that you were going to be discarding, you would probably go ahead and choose one that had the deadbolt body over a more expensive version that had the Chevy body. So, but that's my opinion. Yeah, we're going to be using the we're going to be putting this Creep on the SCX24 Deadbolt chassis, and I'm going to put this truck back together.